How are vehicle autonomy levels classified? When you hear about self-driving cars, it might sound like a technology of the distant future, but the reality is, we are already on a journey through different stages of automation. To classify this journey, the Society of Automotive Engineers created a standard that goes from level 0 to level 5. The key to understanding them is knowing who is in control, the driver, the vehicle, or both. Let's start with level 0. No automation. This is the level of a traditional car. The human driver performs all driving tasks, steering, accelerating, braking, etc. There is no automated assistance here, it's 100% human. Next we move to level 1, driver assistance. At this level the vehicle can perform a single automated function. For example, adaptive cruise control that maintains a constant speed and distance from the car in front, or a lane-keeping system. The driver, however, must be constantly attentive and ready to intervene. Level 2 is partial automation. This is the level where many high-end vehicles are today. The car can handle two tasks at the same time, such as steering, accelerating, and braking under certain conditions. Systems like Tesla's Autopilot or GM's Super Cruise fall into this category. The main responsibility remains with the driver, who must keep their hands on the wheel and their eyes on the road at all times. At level 3, we talk about conditional automation. This is where responsibility begins to shift. The vehicle can handle all driving tasks under specific conditions, such as on a well-marked highway. The driver can take their hands off the wheel and their eyes off the road but must be ready to take back control when the system requests it. This is a very complex level as it requires a quick transition from the system to the human. Level 4 is high automation. At this level, the vehicle is fully capable of driving itself within a predefined operational design domain, which could be a specific city or geographic area. The crucial point is that the driver does not need to be ready to intervene. If the vehicle encounters a problem it cannot solve, it will stop safely. A robotaxi operating without a driver in a specific area is a perfect example of level 4. Finally, level 5 is full automation. This is the ultimate goal. The vehicle can drive itself anywhere and under any condition with no need for a human driver. These vehicles would have no steering wheel or pedals, and the only human intervention would be to choose the destination. In short, the classification of vehicle autonomy goes from 0 to 5, and the key point of each level is who has control and responsibility on the road.